Alright guys, so this week and last we've been talking about dividing fractions, and we have been talking about taking a whole number and dividing it by a fraction, and then taking a fraction and dividing it by a whole number. So one of our problems involved lemon bars, and it made me think, oh, it's spring and I haven't had lemon bars in forever. So I decided to go to the store and just grab a box mix, nothing fancy, and make lemon bars. And this is what turned out. Doesn't look like a lemon bar, does it? No, it just looks like the pan I put it in with some powdered sugar on top. So how do I make this into lemon bars? What do I need to do? That's right, good. I need to partition it. Okay, so I partitioned it this way, and what did I actually do? Like, what's the mathematical terms here? I took the whole and I did what? Oh, yeah, I divided it into 3 pieces. So then what's my answer? Well, if we remember when we were dividing, we said that we could rewrite it as a fraction bar, this division symbol. In fact, it looks like a fraction bar, right? So our answer would be 1/3. So if we took this one whole and we divided into 3 equal pieces, each piece would be 1/3, right? And we could look at it the opposite way and say, well, 1/3 3 times, right, is 3/3 or 1 whole here. All right, excellent. Is that the only way we could say it? Remember, we're dividing with fractions here. So if we have this one whole and we look at it a little bit differently and we say we're going to divide it into thirds, and that's 1 divided by 1/3, right? Good job. All right, then what would our answer be? Yeah, so if we take it and we divide it into thirds, it's how many pieces do we have? And we have 1, 2, 3 pieces. Good job. All right, well, we're not done there. We're going to keep going. So now I need to share it with my family, right? Uh-oh, something happened. What happened to my thirds? What do you think happened? Okay, let's look at this. One of the thirds is missing, right? So we had our whole, and someone or something happened to 1/3, and now we only have 2/3. Okay, so let's, I still need to share it with 4 people, so what can I do? What am I going to start with? I'm starting with 2/3. Good. And I'm going to partition it for 4 people. Okay, so I am going to divide 2/3 divided by 4. All right, and that gives me, ooh, look at all these. What answer do I have though? Is my answer 2? Is my answer 8? How can I figure this out? Well, remember, I'm sharing with 4 people. So what do I want to do? Yep, I want to label. I want to label what each person's going to get. So there's me, there's my husband, and my 2 kids, right? Andrew isn't getting, he lives in Michigan. It's far, far away. I'm not mailing it. It's okay. So how much does each person get? Is my answer 2? Do I get 2? What do we need to remember about fractions? Yeah, that's right. So when we're talking about fractions, we're talking about partitioning them into equal pieces. And these are equal to each other, but we're not talking about the whole, because we had 2/3 to start with, and 2/3 of what? Well, it was 2/3 of 1 whole here, right? So, hey, look, I found that other piece. Oh, that's right. I just put it over to the side because I promised it to Miss Zinn. So we can't eat this piece, okay? But I still want to know how much I'm going to get to eat, right? So I'm going to get 2 out of the whole pan of lemon bars, which is what? What do I need to do in order to figure that out? Oh, that's right. I need to partition the rest, this big piece, I need to partition it the same way I partitioned my other 2/3 to figure out what my whole would be. And so if I just, remembering I'm not going to eat Miss Zinn's piece, but I'm going to take away the X for a second so we can see this. So when we partition all the pieces equally, we have, what? A 3 by 4, right? Which is 12 pieces. Excellent. So I can look at it and say that 2/3 divided by 4 equals 2/12. So I'm going to get 2 out of these 12 pieces. Well, that's not bad at all. Those are pretty big pieces. I could also look at it as 1/6, right? We're going to simplify. So I get one of these, and then my husband and Avery, Arden, Mrs. is going to get 2 of those because she's extra special. And so our family members were going to get 1/6. Okay, excellent. Well, here is a problem for you. We didn't quite cut up our pieces the way we expected to. They were pretty rich and yummy. And what do you think's going on? Come up with your own story problem and turn it in for your sticker. So, I hope you liked it. Remember, you can always go back to look at the picture again. Anyways, have a great weekend, and I will see you soon. Bye.